Hey guys, welcome to a try-on video. Everything in this video is going to be from Free Assembly, which is a new launched line from Walmart. So this whole video is sponsored by Walmart. Thank you, Walmart. So the line we're going to showcase is Free Assembly, like mentioned, but the creative director behind this line is Brandon Maxwell. Did you know this? I did not know this. He is also the creative director behind Scoop, which is another line at Walmart. If you are unaware of who he is a huge American fashion designer. He is in his 30s. He's quite young, but he's dressed so many famous people. He has his own line. It's been sold at so many stores. So the idea that he is the creative director behind these two lines at first was like, huh? But then now it makes complete sense as to why some of the stuff I'm going to show you feels so luxe and so elevated, because there's details here that you typically would not expect at this price point. It's crazy. I mean, he's won a CFDA amongst other awards and nominated for so many. So, like, super impressive, right? So Free Assembly, like right now, what we're wearing now is like a little coat. It's super cute. So there's a full line of women's wear, men's wear, children's. I believe the women's and kids will be at like 1,000 stores, 750 stores for the men's line. My favorite thing from here are the bottoms. In general, when I shop, I do tend to look for bottoms because I think bottoms are so hard to shop for. Trousers, now that they're in, I'm excited about it because they're a lot more forgiving, whereas jeans are so hard to shop for. Jeans, I feel, ever since college, I've never been a jeans person. I'll have a couple pairs in my wardrobe at any given time, but it's not like my first. It's like if my leggings were like all dirty and I had to wear something else. The jeans, I have 2 pairs of jeans to show you, a couple pairs of trousers, lounge pants. I have so many things, and the details on them are like, the pocket looks so like luxe, or the stitching is more elevated, the whole look is more elevated. The jean, when I show you these, because you guys don't see me wear jeans that often, like ever. I don't know if I've ever shown an outfit to you guys where I wore jeans. I have a skinny pair, which I think they're like, oh, skinny jeans are out, but I don't think so. You wear what you want. They give me confidence, they make me feel good. And then I have a trouser jean, like a kind of like a wider leg at the bottom. They are perfection. And then, as per usual, Walmart is free shipping at $35 and free returns. So there's a lot of items here that I'm gonna wear and show you, but there are some items where I might have gotten an extra color because I wanted to show you. I also have a few linen pieces that I'm gonna show you that I really love, but I obviously can't wear. So those will be returned and I get to return them for free, so it's super awesome. So let's jump into the outfits. So just to get out of the way, the shoes in the whole video are gonna be these. They are the Madden NYC. I showed these to you guys in my last Walmart video. Wedges, clear, comfortable, goes with everything. And if I didn't already mention it, this is going to be very pant heavy. Whenever I look for clothes, like change of seasons or, you know, gain weight, loss weight, I look for pants. Pants, I think, are one of the hardest things to find. So lots of pants, still a lot of tops, but a lot of pants. So the first are these drawstring kind of tapered, cute, okay? Do I like the contrasting tie, like drawstring? No. As someone who is very dedicated to monochromatic, specifically black, yeah, this, I would just like tuck it in. So we're also gonna throw on a jacket. So cute. It's like a jacket shirt, but not a shacket, or maybe you can think of it that way. So we'll start with the pants first. We've tied them up. We'll push the drawstring in, okay? And then the pants, you can see when I step back, the cut of them, but this jacket is like a cotton peacoat in a way. So sleeves go down to here. I roll everything. If you are gonna see all kinds of stuff in this video, if there's buttons, I unbutton them. I like having at least like a 3/4 going. It's just a personal preference. I like the way my arms and shoulders look better when I do that. So this is white. It has these kind of camel colored buttons and huge pockets. So cute. So I'm gonna step back so you can see the silhouette of the pant. Like, they're so cute. They're so nice. I am not the best at posing, but I'm hoping you're getting an idea of how good these pants are. So this outfit specifically is very like airplane outfit for me. I have worn like kind of like more like a sweatshirt and like comfy pants, but very rarely. I like to look somewhat dressed up. I also never wear sleeveless. I don't know, about something about being on the airplane, like I like having sleeves. So something like this that looks pretty put together, you can button it also. Let's say you just, I don't know, your shirt's dirty. You can totally button this up and it looks so cute. Like so. You can't tell me nothing when I pop a collar because I immediately think I look better than you. Just in that moment, you know, but love it. I love this, love this, love this. I'm so happy that they don't have it in black because I probably would have bought it in black, but the white is so clean and you can wear this with any kind of purse in this tone, gold jewelry, shoes in this tone like these, so many things. Okay, next I'm gonna show you the same outfit. I'm gonna keep the pants and show you this like linen blazer. You're like, Jen doesn't wear linen. She doesn't, but this one, the inside is not linen, so I don't feel it. So also, this is an extra small. That jacket was also an extra small, which that jacket is oversized. Extra small, that makes sense. Now this, you guys know how I feel about my shoulders. They don't look wide to you, but proportionately, they're very wide. How this blazer looks is amazing. Okay, first of all, how good is the fit on this? How the shoulders hit on someone who has wide shoulders, amazing. It's a one button, it's super clean. Little faux flaps. I think you can you can undo this for actual pockets. Okay, so and here it is rolled up. Guys, if you're really chesty, look how much room. If you're like a small person but you have a chest, look at what you're being given to work with here. This is amazing. I'm not even wearing a push-up bra. I'm just wearing like a normal like bralette, and like I'm kind of chestier than you would think, and I feel so like there's so much room here, like, and it's like nice room, and the button hits in a way where like if your boobs are bigger, lower, whatever, like this is winner. I love this so much. Okay, next is this button down. Again, we have these contrasting white buttons. I did remove the buttons that would show when I was wearing it, so let me show you what I mean. So this has a detail that I love on button-down shirts, and that is that extra piece of fabric that goes right over the button, so it's concealed. There were two buttons here that I've already removed because, again, I'm dedicated to that monochromatic look. There are buttons here, of course, I've undone them. So this is in an extra small. Sometimes, you know, like when you have button downs that have a button here and there's like that like piece of fabric that you can loop over to create that 3/4 sleeve look. I do that sometimes, but I will also often just take the button from like the wrist area and just pop it onto the button here. And it looks much more like a casual roll up, you know what I mean? I left the last button unbuttoned so I could do a tuck. I'm a big fan of the tuck. So this is now like a black on black outfit that, you know, is like just so nice, so cute. There's pockets. Pockets are huge. There's a lot of distance here, space for your hand to go in so you're not like, you know, awkwardly going in there. Very beautiful silhouette, casual. Like I said, I'm a big fan of the one tuck. So let me show you some pants, two pairs of pants that are super awesome. Next up are jeans. I do not wear jeans. I don't like jeans. I think it's really hard to shop for them. So these are a skinny pair. I love that they're all black. The hardware is black, the pants are black, everything is black, black, black. It's like perfect. And then when I show you how they fit, you're gonna be like, how? And then I have a trouser pair. So these are a size 4, I believe. Okay, so check out the fit here. I untucked the shirt so just to make it easier to like, I don't know, I think it's more flattering with the pants this way, but like, you know, we're not very hippie, so, you know, but if you were hippie, they're very stretchy and there's room for you, but I think these look so good. Like, they're so cute. I have no idea what this looks like in the camera, so hopefully it looks good, but I think they're so nice. They fit so, there's so much room, guys. It's like stretchy. There's like movement, like so important in jeans. Okay, the next pair, obviously blue jeans, which you're like, Jen doesn't, this is so not me, but this is dark. I think it's because it's too bright right now, but they're dark. There is contrast seaming, not my favorite. However, it is not obvious through the pant leg, which is the most important for me. Because, you know, most of the time this stuff is like covered by like your shirt or a belt or something. Okay, FYI, these are extremely high-waisted. I undid the last button, and the last little pants showing, I think the button, it was like bunching weird here because, you know, I have nothing to, whatever. So These are the trouser type jeans. So perfect, so nice. They feel amazing. The two pockets, very nice. I just want this pant, this exact cut of this pant in like a trouser material, just like, you know when you love the way something fits, you're like, oh, if I just had it in green and like a camel color, like, you know what I mean? It's like that kind of thing for me right now. And on me, it's like the perfect height for like a higher shoe. So they have them in short. I bought mine in short and they're perfect for me. I'm 5'2". They have like, you know, the normal length sizes, etc. Sumo is panting. Hi. So Sumo needing a haircut? Yeah? Does Sumo need a haircut? Yeah, you gorgeous. Oh, you too good for YouTube? You too good for YouTube? Okay, now we're going into a more casual state of affairs. This is a black tee, V-neck, our favorite. So this is what it looks like. Love a V-neck. We like a V-neck because it cuts the width of our shoulders. I also don't like having a really tight sleeve because, again, when things are tighter, you feel like bulkier. So I like that there's like a little bit of space here, but it's just like a really cute basic tee. Now for probably more of my favorite things, it's like the casual stuff. These are a lounge pant. These are black. I have an orange pair. They're just like, you know, loungy pants. Wear them with flip-flops, go grocery shopping, wear them at home. So I'm short and they hit me like perfectly. So I'm like 5'2". If you are taller than that, they'd be like kind of like a flood look on you, which I used to always hate. But now that it's in and I see it done correctly, I love the flooded look. I have like actual like dressier pants that are kind of flooded, and if you just wear them with a heel, you're like, this is so confusing why this looks good, because I am so short. When you're really short, there's like certain rules you follow as far as like not making yourself look shorter or wider, right? Yeah, oddly, flood pants with a heel works amazing. Okay, here's the orange pair. They're actually really bright and really cute. Okay, lastly, y'all, this is a linen jumpsuit. It is so cute, and when I show you why it's such a great piece, you're gonna be like, yeah, I need that. I just wish they would do this in a different, okay, Walmart, if you watch this, please do this in a different fabric, like for spring or fall. Like do something that's not linen, like be all over, like a satin. Do a satin one. Oh, I would die. Also adjustable. This is something I love so much. You have the adjustable buttons. You can make it longer, shorter, etc. And again, it's linen. I'm obviously not going to keep this. I bought it to show you, so the tags are still on. It has a square neckline. You have really cute straps. Again, adjustable. This is elasticized, so you can be real chesty. New moms, your boobs are bigger, but you also want to buy stuff that you can wear pre, post. Like, so good. Okay, and then there's a tie. So some people wear it without a tie, which I get, but I am very straight and we cannot afford to lose a single curve, however subtle. So, like, look. Also, if you're not super big, it can make you look a little bigger. If you are big up here, look at how much room you have. Like, I love this. Pockets, of course. So cute. So cute. I love this. I wish my body wasn't itchy wearing this, but if you are someone that can wear linen, oh, the level of recommendation here. It also comes in this really cute, beautiful, bright orangey red color. I mean, hello. Again, Walmart, just make this like for fall, winter, just do this in satin or something similar, like this vibe. I love it so much. The ease, the adjustableness of everything, the straps and the elastic here, and then this, like there's so much going on here that will fit so many body types. Okay, so some honorable mentions. These aren't honorable mentions because these are leggings that are just really good. Well, I could have worn it with the t-shirt, I guess, but you know, I don't need to model like good leggings for you guys. So these are their 7/8 leggings. You will have to size up, or at least I did. I am by default an extra small when I can buy, like when I buy almost any brand of leggings. But these I had to do a small, but the fabric here is that in-between fabric, which You can dress it up or dress it down. It's like a really clean but more matte kind of a sheen, so you know, we like that. And the reason I even bothered looking at leggings, I wasn't originally going to pick leggings out because I was like, I want to make like outfits, but I saw this color. It's called Burnt Rosemary. Look at this color. It's beautiful, olivey. These have the tags on them. I tried them on, but honestly, after wearing that jumpsuit, my body was just like, ah! So in case you don't know, I have eczema. I'm able to keep it completely under control if I don't have spicy food and I don't eat chicken. I've just figured out that those are like my triggers. But clothing and fabric, and obviously something like linen, is extremely like sensitizing on me. So these are just drawstring linen pants. Look at this cute, really flat, square, and almost non-existent pocket, which we love. Ooh, light. And these are an extra small. These are very generous extra small, so I feel like if you are usually an extra small, maybe even a small medium, you could probably fit into these. I mean, so cute. I just look at one of their tags. Mix, layer, assemble freely. I like that. That's like a really cool kind of like statement. Anyway, so I would recommend these to you. These fit really similarly to those lounge pants I showed you that were cotton and soft and like really good for my skin. Lastly, our two pairs of pants are the same pant. These are so nice, guys, but they're like too long for me. Even with, well, when I wear a heel, the heels I was wearing, they like fall weird. But these are just like a trouser pant. This is also an extra small, but look at, like, there's a lot of give here. So if you are like typically a medium, I think you could even fit into these. But there's a drawstring, so it's great. Again, I like that there's just like one pocket. I do like that detail. It's like subtle, but it gives it a little, you know, a little something something. Look at this color. So the other thing I love on this, look at the stitching here. Beautiful. This fabric, I wouldn't wear this for summer unless you live in like, not live or work where like the AC is on all the time and you're cold. I think this is perfect for fall, winter, and then maybe spring, even the bottom. Like, it's just so beautifully made, okay? But again, this is like, it's a little drowning on me because I'm short. But again, a high recommendation if you need a trouser pant. And these are such that you could probably, if you're even taller, you can wear these with like tennis shoes. Totally a look. Tennis shoes and a hoodie, or you know, a button down and some heels. Like, it's one of those kind of pants. I also grabbed them in like a baby mini tiny houndstooth. I don't even know why I did this actually, because when I do prints, I either go like a tropical floral for summer, or I will go maybe animal print or camo for winter. But I just don't do prints because I feel like they're memorable. And as someone who does monochromatic a lot, whenever you throw a print in there, I think it becomes very memorable and people are like, oh yeah, she's worn that already this week maybe. Anyway, so again, same exact pant, same exact construction, stitching is beautiful, like everything you want. It's like elasticized, but it's also really sleek and cut really well. Again, I love, like, you know, when they do like that larger fold at the bottom hem. I think that the shirts and tops overall are snugger, so I can go into like my normal sizes, like an extra small. And then the pants, I think, are much more generous. So I could wear most of the extra smalls, but some of the extra smalls were a little big on me. So you might have to go with that in mind so you can choose like the right size for you. I don't know why I blanked over there. All right, guys, that is all of the stuff, all of the clothing. Let me know which are your favorite pieces. Let me know how you would style them. Let me know if you have tried the linen stuff and you're like, yes. And if you've tried this brand, Free Assembly, it's just so, I'm so impressed because I was not expecting to be like blown away by the cut, the offering of the colors, the attention to certain details that you only usually get at like much more expensive price points. I'm like, what is this? Thank you for watching. Thank you to Walmart. Everything will be linked below, and I will see you in the next video.